Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows could not configure one or more system components error. Let's fix it guys. First to fix it, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands. Just copy the first command and paste it and press enter. And now copy then paste the second command and press enter. Set up an account and password there on user account creation wizard that appears. Restart your PC and check if this solved your problem. Fix 2 is to disable Internet Information Services. To do this, press Windows key and R key together and type here appwiz.cpl and press enter. Select the 10 Windows switches on or off and just need to make sure to uncheck this option guys. Internet information services, make sure it is unchecked. Same thing for internet information services hostable web core. Uncheck both boxes and select OK to save changes and check if the problem solved or not. Fix 3 is to rename the inetsrv folder. To do this, press Windows key and R key together in the run dialog box. You just need to copy this first run command and paste in the run box and click on OK. And now go back to this folder and just right click on the inetsrv and select rename and type dot old and press enter. Select yes. Now just close stuff here and restart our PC. Fix 4 is to delete IIS machine keys. To do this, again press Windows key and R key together. And now just need to copy the send run command and paste it and click on OK. You just need to delete files starting with the sequences like 6DE9CB. Similar to this, you just need to delete every files like that and just to close stuff here. You just need to reboot your computer and retry the Windows upgrade. Note that these files will be recreated automatically during the process. Fix for disconnect external devices. You just need to unplug all non-essential external devices like USB devices, printer, external hard drives, etc. After removing all, restart your computer, attempt to upgrade again without any external devices connected. Run the Windows upgrade process again. Fix 6 is to disable third-party antivirus temporarily. Locate your antivirus icon in this system tray. Just right click on them and select disable option and select temporarily disable option. Try upgrading again. Fix 7, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. You just need to wait for these commands to get 100% complete. After getting done, you just need to copy the next command and paste it again next, again next. After finishing all these commands, just close stuff here and restart your PC. And this should fix your problem guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.